Could the future of smartphones be folding right before our eyes? Are foldable phones the next big thing in mobile technology? These are the questions that have been buzzing around the tech industry for some time now. Every large smartphone manufacturer, with the notable exception of Apple, seems to be betting on foldable phones as the potential savior of the mobile market. Foldable phones, almost 5 years after their introduction, currently hold just over a 1% share of the global market. Samsung, a key player in this field, has invested heavily in marketing its foldable phones and unveiled its 5G Galaxy Z series back in July. The tech giant predicts that by 2027, foldable devices may account for more than a third of all smartphones priced above $600. Other smartphone manufacturers, including Motorola, Huawei, and Honor, are also pinning their hopes on foldable phones. Apple, on the other hand, has remained largely silent on the foldable phone front, although patent filings suggest that a folding iPad might be on the horizon. Despite the industry's enthusiasm, foldable phones still have a long way to go before they become mainstream. Market data indicates that only about 16 million units are estimated to be sold this year. Consumers seem to be deterred by concerns about the price, reliability, and practicality of these foldable devices. Analysts are beginning to question if there are simply too many foldable phone products chasing too small a market share at present. In a recent Ask Me Anything session on Reddit, Bill Gates confirmed that he uses an Android smartphone, specifically a Samsung Fold 4, as his daily driver. Gates praised the device for its screen size and the pre-installed Microsoft software. Android currently holds around 72% of the mobile operating system market share worldwide, while Apple holds almost 27%. In a world where technological advancements are happening at a breakneck speed, the future of foldable phones remains uncertain. It's clear that they have piqued the interest of the tech industry and some high-profile tech enthusiasts. However, whether they will become the next big thing in mobile technology or remain a niche product for tech enthusiasts is a question that only time can answer. In summary, foldable phones, despite their current low market share and consumer apprehensions, are seen by many major smartphone manufacturers as a potential game changer in the mobile market. While tech moguls like Bill Gates have embraced the technology, the question remains, will foldable phones unfold a new era in mobile technology, or will they simply fold under the pressure? Only time will tell.